Good afternoon, mga kapuso, and welcome. It's going to be a fun day. You are logged on live dito sa IGMA web chat, and this is, of course, our chance to get to know each other, kung anong mga pinagdadaanan ko sa buhay, the good things. And, of course, later on, isang IGMA forum member ang tatawagan namin sa cellphone at magkakwentuhan kami, but for the meantime, magkwentuhan na muna tayo dito sa ating computer. How old are you? I'm 23. Do you know how to speak Chinese or Spanish? Can you greet us? I don't know how to speak Chinese, pero hablo en español porque mi madre es española. Era mi pequeña, mi madre habla en español, pero contestaba en inglés. See? Okay? Okay. So, sana maano niya yan. Okay? Alright. Thank you. Kumakain ka ba ng fishball? Of course, kumakain ako ng fishball. Hindi lang kumakain ng Betamax talaga. Yun lang ang hindi ko maintindihan. What kind of music do I listen to? Any kind, any type. Ayoko lang yung mga ganon. What do you think makes you sexy? Paganda ka ng paganda. Siguro, yung disposition ko ngayon sa buhay, maganda. Lessons in love na di mo makakalimutan. You really have to leave a little bit for yourself. You have to love yourself. Or else, wala. You'll just lose yourself along the way. And remember, kaya na-in-love sa yung tao dahil you're yourself. So don't lose that. Ate Heart, ano po ba feeling na may crush sa'yo si Kuya Densyo? Sometimes, nakakahiya. Kasi, pag nakikita ko siya, di niya ako pinapansin. Kamusta ang paglipat mo sa Kapuso? Very busy with Acero. Hi, Heart. You know, I think it's really a good choice for you to be Kapuso. It's the best choice ever. Alam mo bang maraming natuwa nung lumipat ka? Kasi sa wakas, mabubuhay na ulit ang career mo. Ang ganda mo talaga. When I moved to GMA, all of a sudden, ang daming mga projects, ang daming mga roles, everything. For 2 years, I'll be busy straight. So yeah, I'm so happy I moved. I'm on the phone right now with Kriza. Kriza? Hi, hello, Kriza. How are you?
Sobrang kinakabahan.
Kinakabahan?
Kumusta na po yung pets nyo?
Yung pets ko, my dogs. I have 3 Cocker Spaniels and 1 Jack Russell. Okay naman sila.
Gusto niyo din po baka magkaroon ng Pinoy remake like Marimar, yung King Samson, yung ganun po?
Yes, I really want to do a Korean novela kasi siguro dun ako babagay.
Masaya po ba ang feeling na naka-live shot na kayo?
Yes, actually masaya ako kasi iba siya. Tsaka mas feeling mo nakaka-connect ka sa mga fans mo, sa mga supporters mo. You're watching live?
Yes, yes.
Sa internet? Ah, talaga? Hi! That's so cool. Ako rin naaliw. Sige. Okay. Thank you so much for your questions and I hope nasagot kong lahat.
Yes.
Tapos mag-chat ka na dito. Okay, bye, Kriza. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. So I'd like to work with Dennis Kriza. Ready ka na ba ulit ma-in love? Crush mo ba si Richard?